What's going on, everybody? Let's go ahead and pull this Ram out. We're going to be doing a little, as you can probably tell by the thumbnail, just a little lift comparison on all three trucks because they're all similar like lifts, honestly. I mean, the 4-inch on the 2-wheel drive is honestly like a leveling kit on a 4-wheel drive. Let's go ahead and start this Ram up, get a little cold start. Maybe. There we go. I wish to have remote start on. Oh, it's lower gas. That's what it is. I was about to say, what the freak? Yeah, it's lower gas. I know exactly what it is. Remote start canceled. Fuel low. That's one thing about a Ram. You're going to get used to those gas stations. I think I'm probably like 40 miles to E or something like that. I usually try to run them as low as possible every once in a while just to get the old gas out. But yeah, back to what I was saying. We're just going to be doing like a little comparison on all three trucks. Because like I said, they are on similar lift kits as far as the size difference. I think the GMC is on like a 3-inch level, and this one as well is on the 3-inch level. Which the Scram, the hood on the Ram, it does set up a little bit taller. Just because of how tall the hood is. And I know this truck is dirty, so don't laugh, everybody. Let me scoot her up just a little bit. We'll get a tape measure out, do some measurements. But as you can see, I don't really drive. This thing's got 5,000 miles, and I've had it for 7 months now. I think 7 months. I'm not 100% sure. But as you can see, it's filthy. It's filthy. It's a filthy Ram. Man, if my phone would focus, that'd be like great. Yeah, there it goes. Let's go ahead and pull the old GMC out. We'll grab a tape measure and we'll do some comparisons on these bad boys. Let me grab my tape measure real quick. Maybe, if I know where it's at. There it is. Go ahead and fire this unit up. Yeah, I thought I was gonna break one of my wheels last night. I drove this thing to pick up that third brake light, and I thought I hit something, but I guess I didn't, because I looked at the wheels last night and everything looked fine. Oh me, oh my. Ow, my finger. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, I broke one of my fingernails yesterday. My phone will focus. Hit it on that control arm on that OBS. Can't beat a cam truck, bro. You can't beat it. I know a guy I worked with was saying he had the ghost cam in his Mustang, and he's like, you just can't beat a LS cam. I'm like, you can't, but you know, the Mustangs do sound good. I'll give it to them. They sound good, especially at high RPMs. They sound good. Oh, let's pull this bad unit right in between the old Ram and the OBS. And then we'll see exactly what we got. Like I said, I got to do the exhaust on this. I want to do something different with the exhaust. I think the Ram is actually taller than both trucks as far as like the hood height. Okay, that's enough choppy for today. Let's get the keys and see what we got. So as you guys know, the OBS has a 4. This one has a leveling kit, and this one has a leveling kit. So let's just check the ground clearance, which the two-wheel drive is going to have way more ground clearance as far as like from the ground to the lower control arm and whatnot, because it don't have that cross member. But this one is sitting right at about 3 feet. If my phone will focus, come on phone, work with me here, cooperate. So we're sitting, no, we're a little bit lower, we're about 35.5 on the front here. I don't know why my phone is being stupid today. Let's check this one. So that was 35.5. Good God, big difference. This one's at 40.5. I was not expecting that. So that's a 5-inch difference between those two. Dang, so the Chevy sets up taller than both of them. This one's 38 3/4. Dang, so 38 3/4 on the Ram, but the hood's taller. 40 on the GMC and 37.5 on the OBS, which honestly isn't crazy. But once I put 35 on here, this is gonna like significantly decrease on this one, because it's going to be closer to the wheel well. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty sweet lineup. Like I said, we need to get the OBS back running, the old Suburban. But yeah, that's crazy though. I thought the GMC would be taller, or the Ram would be taller than the GMC. But I mean, I guess being that it has, no, because it's only a 3 and the Ram's on a 3. That's weird. Weird stuff. I mean, I don't know how the lift kits work, but I guess this one, the GMC's the winner, man. GMC sitting at, what did I say it was, 40? Let me look at that one more time. I know the OBS is 37.5. Yeah, this one's almost 40.5. If my phone would decide to work, I don't know what's, well, it's about 40 and a little bit over 1/4. So what would that be, 3/8? Yeah, I mean, shoot, that's crazy. Okay, well, GMC's on top, eh? Phone decides it wants to focus. No, I guess it don't. It just, you know, I don't know what's up with these iPhones, man. This thing's acting weird. But yeah, so I guess the GMC is the tallest truck on the fleet for now. Like I said, like I said, the Ram, it's not even like, the Ram is just on a little 2-inch puck in the front. I didn't want to do a crazy lift because I didn't want to take it to get in a line literally 2 weeks after buying the truck. So I did something where I didn't have to get in alignment, because I didn't, you know, take apart anything except the upper control arm. I didn't touch the lower, I just pushed them down. But yeah, I guess the Ram takes the cake on this one. I mean, the GMC. Ram needs a bath, what it needs. Good God almighty. Yeah, let me step back, man. The old Ram, boy, that thing looks so good. It does look good. That'd be a killer fleet right there. That would be a nice setup. Get some different rims on both of the OBSs, get the Suburban back running. That would be a pretty nice fleet. So the GMC is tallest. It don't even look taller than the Ram right here. Even at the wheel well, if you look at the wheel well, I guess being that the wheel well is rounded on the Ram rather than the, I don't know what you'd call it, squared kind of like on the GMC. I don't know. But the OBS looks taller to me, man. Look at the, I guess being that this is on 35s and it's on 33s, that's probably why. Because these are like 275s, I want to say. 235s. So they're smaller than what I was thinking. They're 235s. I think these are actually smaller. No, that's 235 on this too. Okay. But yeah, so there's a difference. Like I said, the OBS is on a 4-inch. The GMC's on a 3. And the Ram's on a 3. But they call it a leveling kit for the Ram. And they call it a leveling kit for the GMC. So take that as what you will. But yeah, the GMC takes the cake on this one. I was thinking it was going to be the Ram, but, you know, it is what it is. But, yeah, that's going to do it for this one, guys. Let me know what you guys want to see next done to the trucks. Like I said, we got a lot more stuff coming for the OBS. That's the main priority right now. I need to do bed, or not bed, but cab, the bushings for the cab underneath. And I need to do them on the GMC as well. So I'm going to be looking into doing those too, because I crawled under the GMC earlier, and those cab bushings are pretty bad. You can tell the truck's from 07, basically, from looking at those. But we got to do mirrors on the OBS. We got to do badges for the cab itself. And then we got to do wheels and tires. For the GMC, the main thing on the GMC that I want to do is the different exhaust. And then the Ram, I want to get, I don't know if you guys have ever seen them, but like I had on the white Silverado, the RST that I had, they make a Rough Country light bar that goes right here, and one on this side. I think that would look really good on the front, because I like having grill lights, like I had on the Silverado, the white RST, those sequential lights. Man, I love those things. So I want to do something similar on the Ram. I don't know if I want to do that. Like I said, I don't even know if I'm going to keep the Ram. That's why I really don't want to do a lot to it, because I want to get a diesel truck. If I don't trade the GMC for a diesel, I'm probably going to wait and trade this thing in and get a diesel. I don't know yet, so that's why I've been holding off on the Ram, because I don't want to throw a lot of money into it like I was doing all the other trucks and then turn around and trade it in. So yeah, that's where we're at on the Ram. Like, I love the way it looks right now, and it rides great. Plenty of power, sounds good. Yeah, so I don't know what I want to do with that, but I mean, the lights for the grill, that's nothing crazy. So I feel like that would look good. It would change the front end, make it look a little different, and it wouldn't be too pricey. I think it's like $130 for the lights, the whole kit from Rough Country. But yeah, that's the plans for the truck right now. Well, the trucks. But yeah, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see done to these things. I'm always open to suggestions and ideas, because like I said, I mean, these trucks can, you know, still got a long way to go with them, especially the OBS. That's the main objective right now. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll leave a link to the lift kit on the GMC, the Ram, and the OBS. But with the GMC, it's got a lot more suspension stuff than any of the trucks, because it's got Bilstein shocks, it's got Cognito upper control arms. So I mean, everything suspension related with that truck has been changed. So yeah, it's a little bit more pricey with the GMC. Like I said, that's probably got about $1,200, $1,300 in suspension parts. The OBS has probably got $600, $500. And then the Ram, it's the cheapest. It's only got like $100 lift kit on it, and it's just as tall as both of them. But, you know, new trucks are always taller to begin with. So, yeah, that's going to do it for this one. Like I said, I'll leave a link to everything in the video in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.